Guys, Duolingo says that learning German is easy. Does Germans use these words which we learn in Duolingo? In this video, we are going to test if what we learn in Duolingo and what the Germans use in the real life, if it's the same thing. Hi guys, my name is Bendetta, a Kenyan living in Germany as a nursing student, and in my channel I share my experience as a nursing student and life here in Germany. Today we are going to learn the basic German language that one can use for the basics greetings here in German. So let's get into the video. Greetings for every culture is always the morning greetings. So the first basic is when you wake up in the morning, how do you say good morning here? You say Guten Morgen. That's to mean good morning. And then during the day when it's around daytime, then you'll say Guten Tag. Then during the evening, you'll tell someone Guten Abend. And during the night, when it's time to go to sleep, you're going to tell someone Gute Nacht to mean good night. So that is the basics which we learn in school, which Duolingo also can teach you. But does the natives really use these words often? Let's get to know it. So in our class, every morning it's like a routine or a culture. When you get into the class, you greet everyone good morning. So you get in the class, you say Guten Morgen. And most of them, they don't use the Guten Morgen. They just say Morgen, Morgen, Morgen. And it's a culture here. When you go even in the workplace, you love to greet everyone. You see like Morgen, Morgen, and with a very short smile like Morgen, Morgen, Morgen. That is the culture for Germans. That is how they do it. Yes, and depending on which side of German you are in, you'll also hear other words like Grüß Gott. That is what they say here. And for me, that word, it's not yet in my brain. If someone says Grüß Gott, I say hello. And another word which they use, you can say hi to someone is hello. Hello to mean hello. So you say hello, hello, hi. Someone can also use hi. Hi is also a greeting, but there's hello, hello. When it is morning, guten Morgen, Morgen. Then during the day, and unless it's so official, they will not use the Guten Morgen, the Guten Tag, Guten Abend. They will use hello. So during the day, the whole day, you can be greeting people, hello, hello, until in the night when you say Guten Nacht. So then let's get into Duolingo. What does Duolingo teach us? Duolingo teaches the vocabularies, like how to say what is water is Vasa, how to say coffee is cafe. They help you to structure simple sentences and to know basic vocabularies, but it doesn't dive into grammar or how you get to these simple sentences. So yeah, it's good to learn normal conversation and also to get to Duolingo to learn the vocabularies, because once you learn the grammar rules, then it's easy for you to integrate the vocabularies that you've already learned in Duolingo. So let me show you how the Duolingo. You go first to the Duolingo app. Then it's just fresh. You can start, or if you already have an account, you can get to use your account. So let's get started. It says, hi, I'm Duo. Then You'll continue with the questions. So you'll select the language you want to learn. For example, for me, for English speakers, you're going to choose the German language, then you continue. So it will ask you, where did you hear about Duolingo? You can just say from others and then continue. I am new to German language. If you don't know anything, you're just a beginner, then you start with them. I am new to German, so that they can start with the simplest words. And you can see it has levels. So you go with levels. If you accomplish the first level, you go to the second level. So I choose the I am new to German. Then I'll say continue. Then they will ask you the reason. Maybe you'll say support my education, or maybe connect with people. I say connect with people. Let's set up a learning routine. Then you continue. Then you can say, yeah, like for me, casual. If you want to spend, you can say, if you are really serious about it, take at least 15 to 30 minutes to learn the language every day, because the more time you spend, the more you interact with the language, the more vocabularies you learn. Then we go to, I'll choose casual for me. Then 25 words in your first week. You see, I already have new words that I will learn. Then remind me, don't allow, then continue. Then continue. Start from scratch. Then we are getting to our first language. Sorry, for the first lesson. So it will start with pronunciation. Then you learn the second one, the pronunciation.
A, O, E, A, A.
Then I check, like if you get it right, you continue. If you get it wrong, you have to repeat, then you continue.
O,
Oh.
O.
And that's how it works, guys. So here you can learn pronunciations, new words, but it doesn't dive into so much deep grammar rules. So you have to have another way to learn the language, the grammar. Then here you can pass time or use another means of learning the language, because it's also boring to use one platform to learn. You see, now it's cafe. See, cafe is here. See, I've got it correct.
Milch.
Milk is like milk. You see, it's fun even to learn. So you'll learn the basics from here. Actually, you can start constructing sentences. So yeah, guys, that's how it is. Like, learning German can sometimes feel like a challenge, but just start with a small thing. The smallest thing counts, and then the brain will get used to it, and everyday practice what you learn. Say it loud so that the brain can be used to it. So I hope this helped someone learn some phrases, basic phrases in German language. So leave a comment and tell me which other phrases would you want me to discuss about later, and how are you finding it to learn a new language. language. For me, I find it so interesting because there are so many English words which are intertwined with the German, and it's like wow. So guys, thank you for watching. If you've not yet subscribed, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's see each other in the next video. Bye.